Assalamu alaikum dear viewers. Customer has called me this Toshiba washing machine. Problem is sometime cannot use. Sometime it's automatic off. Then he need to turn on again. Then only he can use. So if this like this problem, this is the PCB board problem. It's need to change the PCB board. There are two screws. We have to remove the screws. Then this model need to push left side. Then only you can open it. So this is the new PCB board. So drivers will install the board, then we will be back. It's very easy to install. So we'll fix back the screws, then we will be back. So finally let's test the final test. So alhamdulillah everything is working fine. So it was problem only this PCB board. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.